Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add mention on Instagram history. Okay, so let's get started. Then first I will click on Instagram app and tap on plus icon. Then click on history. Okay, then take your image and click on tag option, click on mention, just click and choose any person. Add mention on Instagram history, just click, then share. That's all. To add mention on Instagram history, that's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.